Prepositions are words that describe where someone is, when something happened, or how it happened. For example, Peck went to the mailbox. Peck came back from the mailbox. Peck came in the house. Peck ran out. Peck turned on the light. Peck turned off the light. Peck stood by the door. Peck stood with Sandy.
This is Peck coming in the house. Which one shows Peck going out of the house?
Peck is going out of the house.
Good work! This is Peck coming from the mailbox. Which one shows Peck going to the mailbox? This is Peck coming from the mailbox.
Peck is next to Sandy.
Try again.
Peck is going to the mailbox.
Great! This is Peck turning off the light. Which one shows Peck turning on the light?
Peck is going to the mailbox.
Oops!
Peck is turning on the light.
Great job! This is Peck by the door. Which one shows Peck with Sandy?
Peck is next to Sandy.
Awesome! These are animals. Animals are living creatures that can breathe and move. Drag all the animals to the cat.
Cow, hen, dog, monkey, horse.
You did it! You dragged the animals. These are vehicles that are used to transport people and things. Drag all the vehicles to the tractor.
Car, plane, dump truck, bike.
You did it! You dragged the vehicles. Sort the animals and vehicles. Put the animals with the cat. And put the vehicles with the tractor.
Fox.
Fox. Sort the
Dog.
animals and vehicles.
Wagon.
Put the animals with the cat.
Van.
Try again.
Van.
Sort
Chicken.
the animals. Oops.
Chicken. Chicken.
You did it! You sorted them. Sort the animals and vehicles. Put the animals with the cat. And put the vehicles with the tractor. Try again. Oops! Sort the animals and vehicles. Put the animals with the cat. And put the vehicles with the tractor. Sort the animals and vehicles. Put the animals with the cat. You did it! You sorted them.